Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to connect Dubbing AI through Discord. So let's get started. Make sure to emphasize all the steps properly so that you don't make any mistake. First of all, you have to open any web browser and search for Dubbing AI. Then search it. Now you have to click on the first link. Once the website loads, scroll down and click the big download button. Search for the download button. Here you can see this download dubbing for free. Tap onto it and it will start downloading your AI. Wait until the installation is completed, then tap onto it. Then tap onto Dubbing AI. Now click all the prompts it's asking for to the yes, otherwise it won't work properly. Now tap onto next. Now you have to click on install and it will be installed on your PC. When Dubbing AI launches, sign up with your Discord account and click authorize. Here you can see it is opening. Now you have to log in with your Discord account. Tap onto it. And enter your email or phone number and password which is connected to your Discord account, and then tap on to login, and that's it. Your AI will be added to your Discord account. Make sure your microphone and speaker are correctly set, then click continue again. That's it, the setup is done. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.